This entire business video took me only about 4 minutes to set up. No camera, no editor, and no production crew. And by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to make one for your own business. Because most small businesses don't just need another list of top 10 AI tools. They need one tool that deals with a task that they already know they should be doing, but inevitably just keep avoiding. And for most businesses, that task is video. I'll even show you how this same video can reach customers in another language without recording it all over again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Go online and search AI tools for small businesses. And almost every article gives you the same advice. Sign up for 10 different platforms, connect all of them together, learn 10 different workflows, and somehow find time to run your actual business too. But in the end, you'll probably set up 2, maybe use one of them, and forget why you even subscribe to the rest. So the better question isn't which AI tools can I collect? It's what expensive or time-consuming task can I replace first? For a lot of small business owners, video is the most obvious answer. It can promote a product, explain a service, answer customer questions, and give you content for your website, ads, and social media. But of course, it normally requires time, equipment, editing, experience, or even just paying somebody else to do it for you. But now, this is HeyGen, an AI video generator that turns your finished ideas or scripts into completed videos. You can use a ready-made presenter, create an avatar of yourself, clone your own voice, and build a finished video without having to rebuild it from scratch every time. And that's just a very simple breakdown of why I think HeyGen is the top AI tool for small businesses in 2026. It doesn't create another task for you to manage. It removes the production process that was stopping you from making videos in the first place. And instead of explaining that with a boring feature list, I'm gonna build an example right now. But all right, for this walkthrough, I'm gonna be creating a promotional video for a local bakery named Northstar Bakery. They wanna promote a weekend pastry box. And the goal is simple: show the products, explain the offer, and tell local customers how to order. And on the side, I already have all of the approved business info, a few product photos, the logo, and the brand colors. And before using AI for any business videos, confirm details like prices, dates, links, and offer terms first. The tool can build the video for you pretty easily, but the business still needs to be able to provide the accurate information. But all right, now from the HeyGen dashboard, go to the left sidebar and open up the apps tab. Then navigate over to the video agent button and click it. Video agent is easily the fastest option when you don't feel like building every single scene yourself. You just describe the video, give it the information and the assets that it needs, and Video Agent creates the first draft for you. And we can even go ahead and click this little plus button right next to the prompt box and upload the bakery logo, the product photos, and whatever other screenshots, PDFs, or documents you may want to add. The important part is just explaining to Video Agent how you want these assets to be used. But now I'll describe the audience, the goal, the format, and the exact information that the video needs to include. On the left, here's the prompt that I'm going to be using for this example. I'll leave it down in the description below, but for your own video, it's going to look a little different. And yeah, it might look pretty long and detailed, but most of it is information that the business already has. Who's this for? What are we promoting? What should the customer do next? And what details must stay accurate? The clearer the prompt is, the less time you have to spend correcting the first draft. And now, because this video is for social media, I'm going to use a 9:16 vertical format. And if your brand system is already saved inside of HeyGen, you can also apply it here so the colors, fonts, and logos all stay consistent. And next, we can choose who we want to present the video. The fastest option is definitely the stock avatars. This works best when the message actually matters more than the person presenting it. For this bakery, I want somebody friendly and conversational, not like somebody who's about to deliver a corporate earnings report. Choose the presenter who feels most believable for delivering this specific message, not whichever looks the most formal. But now you can also make yourself the avatar without filming every video. Inside the avatar tab, you can actually create a custom avatar of yourself. All you need to do is record in clear lighting, keep the camera stable, look directly into the lens, and use natural expressions and gestures. And once it's created, you can use this avatar over and over again for different promotions, product updates, customer facts, and weekly social content. And that's the real value here for small business owners. You record the setup footage once, then create new videos from text whenever the message changes. And of course, only create an avatar of somebody who has clearly agreed to it. But now all I have to do is review the prompt just one more time, confirm the presenter, and we can click generate. But before you do that, you can also activate C-Dance mode. And this will create a much more cinematic AI video with B-roll and movement, but that's optional. But now at this point, Video Agent is building our scenes, placing our presenter into the video, using our attached product photos, and adding the supported text and motion. And once the first draft is ready, don't get too excited and instantly publish it. Check the price, the pickup days, the website, product images, and the final call to action. For a real business, accuracy matters way more than saving an additional 30 seconds. And if something needs to change, just update the scene or script before generating the final version. Here you you are not rebuilding the entire project. You can just correct one part of the draft. But now everybody, the final result is ready, so let's just take a look.
Make your weekend a little sweeter with Northstar Bakery. Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm so excited to introduce our new Weekend Pastry Box, the ultimate Saturday treat. For just $28, you get 6 of our freshly baked favorites, including buttery croissants and cinnamon knots. Just remember to place your order by Friday evening for pickup this Saturday or Sunday at our shop. Order your Weekend Pastry Box by Friday at northstarbakery.com.
And alright, that is our completed video for our local business. The presenter's on screen, the products are very clearly shown, the branding stays super consistent, and the customer knows exactly what to do next. The real setup took just about 4 minutes, and I didn't need to set up a shoot or schedule a camera, or even ever open an editing timeline. Of course, the finished generation still needs some time to process, but my hands-on work was finished in just minutes. And this should not be a tool you only open once for an advertisement. Here's what a normal week could look like for you. On Monday, post a short promotional video for this week's product or service. On Tuesday, post a short welcome video to your website explaining who you are. On Wednesday, answer customer questions that are asked most often. On Thursday, turn an approved customer review into a simple video. And on Friday, announce a new offer, event, opening, or an update. That is 5 super useful pieces of small business marketing content without finding 5 different times to hop on camera. And when a price or offer changes, you just have to update the information and generate a new version. Gone are the days of having to refilm it. But now let me show you the feature that I teased right in the beginning of the video. Open the finished video share page and press translate. HeyGen supports more than 175 different languages and dialects, so one finished video can easily be localized for a whole number of audiences. We can go ahead and choose a target language, translate the spoken script, and generate our new translated version. And now the voice is dubbed, and the lip movements are synchronized with the newly translated speech.
Hola, soy Noah, y estoy muy emocionado de presentar nuestra nueva caja de pasteles de fin de semana. El regalo perfecto para el sábado.
So if your customers speak more than one language, you don't need to organize a second recording session for every new version. One important note though, video translation only translates the speaking voice, not the text that's already baked into an image or video. You're gonna want to check those visuals out separately before publishing. So yeah, small businesses do not need more AI tools collecting dust on their computers. They just need one workflow that removes a real bottleneck. With HeyGen, you can start with an idea, turn it into a completed business video, reuse a consistent presenter, and localize that content for a whole other audience, all without building a production team or constantly having to get on camera. And if you want to try this for your own business, the link to try HeyGen for free is down in the description below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you never miss an upload.